Have you ever woken up, rubbed your eyes, and thought, why does everything feel blurry? The numbers on the clock are fuzzy. The sunlight stings, and for a few minutes, it's like your vision hasn't caught up with the rest of you. This happens to more people over 60 than you might think. And no, it's not always just a normal part of aging. In fact, that morning blur, the gritty dryness, and that slow warming up your eyes seem to need can all be signs that your eyes didn't get the support they needed while you slept. But here's the good news. You can actually fix that without pills, without eye drops, and without complicated routines. Tonight, I want to show you something incredibly simple, just 3 common foods eaten before bed that can help your eyes hydrate, repair, and wake up sharper naturally. If this is your first time, here, welcome. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell. And after over 30 years working with older adults, I've seen how small changes, especially before bed, can lead to big improvements in how your eyes feel when you wake up. If you care about your health and you're tired of being told that blurry vision is just something you have to accept, you're in the right place. And if you're new here, feel free to hit the subscribe button. That way you won't miss the simple, practical tips I share every week to help your body heal and stay strong as you age. Now, let's take a closer look at the first food on our list, the one that gets everything moving while you sleep. Let's talk about something most people overlook. Prunes. Yes, prunes. They're often thought of as digestive snacks, but when it comes to your eyes, especially after 60, they may be doing far more than you realize. See, your eyes depend on a delicate network of tiny blood vessels called capillaries to deliver oxygen and nutrients to the retina. This part of your eye, the retina, is where the magic of vision begins. It's the paper-thin, light-sensitive tissue that converts light into signals your brain can understand. And like any living tissue, it can't repair or function properly without a steady blood supply. Now here's the problem. As we age, those capillaries become narrower, stiffer, and less efficient. Conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, which are common in seniors, make this even worse. So even if you're eating all the right nutrients, they may never fully reach your eyes. Think of it like trying to water your garden with a kinked hose. The nutrients are there, but they can't get through. This is where prunes step in. Prunes do something surprisingly powerful. They help your blood vessels stay flexible, especially the tiny capillaries behind your eyes. And that matters because when those vessels stiffen with age, blood flow slows down. The nutrients you eat, like lutein, vitamin A, or antioxidants, can't reach the retina where they're needed most. That's like trying to send a delivery truck to a house, but the road is blocked. Prunes help clear the path. They're rich in vitamin K1, a nutrient that supports capillary health and keeps those tiny blood vessels open and strong. In fact, researchers in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging found that older adults who consumed more vitamin K1 had better blood flow to delicate tissues, including the eyes. But the benefits don't stop there. Prunes are also loaded with potassium, and that's important for your eyes too. Why? Because while you sleep, the pressure inside your eyes can naturally rise a little. And in people over 60, that pressure sometimes stays high longer than it should. That's what leads to that puffy feeling, or why your eyes might feel swollen or foggy in the morning. Potassium helps regulate that pressure. It keeps the fluid balance inside your eyes more stable and protects your optic nerve from long-term damage. A 2019 study published in Ophthalmic Research found that older adults with higher potassium intake had a lower risk of developing high intraocular pressure, a key factor in glaucoma and age-related vision loss. And there's one more bonus most people miss. Prunes also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, the same antioxidants found in leafy greens. These settle in the macula, the central part of your retina, and act like internal sunglasses, shielding your eyes from harmful blue light and supporting sharper vision in low light. So when you eat prunes, you're not just helping nutrients get where they need to go. You're also delivering protection to the most sensitive parts of your vision. I once had a patient, 74, who tried eating 2 prunes before bed for 3 weeks. He told me, my eyes don't feel foggy anymore. I wake up seeing clearly. That's not magic, it's circulation working again. If you'd like to try this yourself, it's simple. Look for unsweetened, unsulfured prunes, the kind without added sugars or preservatives. Eat 1 to 2 pieces about 45 minutes to an hour before bed. You can eat them alone or chop them into some plain Greek yogurt if you prefer a creamy texture. Prunes are also low glycemic, which means they won't spike your blood sugar. In fact, they may help stabilize it overnight. That matters more than most people think because blood sugar swings can temporarily distort the shape of the eye's lens, leading to early morning blur. So when you think of prunes now, don't just think digestion. Think of them as the first step in helping your eyes repair, rehydrate, and wake up with clarity. Now that your blood flow is open, thanks to prunes, Your eyes are finally able to receive the nutrients they need. But there's a new challenge. How do we protect those nutrients and the fragile cells in your retina from damage while you sleep? Because the truth is, your eyes don't stop working at night. Even when your eyelids are closed, your retina is busy repairing, processing light signals, and rebuilding key proteins like rhodopsin, the one responsible for seeing in low light. And that kind of activity generates oxidative stress, tiny bursts of cellular wear and tear that build up overnight. If left unchecked, it can lead to early breakdown of retinal cells, damage to the optic nerve, and faster age-related vision loss. So we need a shield, something that quietly protects your eyes while you sleep. That shield is pistachios. They may be small, but they're one of the most eye-protective nuts you can eat. Here's why. Pistachios are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that slips into the fatty membranes of your eye cells, especially your rods and cones, the cells that detect light. There, it helps neutralize oxidative stress before it can do harm. This simple nutrient has been linked to a slower rate of macular degeneration in older adults, especially when it comes from whole foods like nuts, but that's just one layer of defense. Pistachios also contain two rare pigments your retina loves, lutein and zeaxanthin. These settle in the macula and work like natural filters, helping to block harmful blue light and reduce glare, especially at night or under artificial lighting. And if you struggle with falling asleep, pistachios bring one more unexpected benefit. They're one of the richest natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that tells your brain it's time to rest. In fact, researchers at Nutrition Neuroscience found that pistachios contain more melatonin per gram than almost any other plant-based food. That means they don't just protect your eyes, they help your whole body relax, giving your eyes the deep, uninterrupted rest they need to recover. They're also a good source of magnesium and vitamin B6, both of which support the optic nerve and help regulate tear production overnight. I had a patient, Linda, 68. She told me, "My eyes feel dry in the morning and night driving is a nightmare. The glare makes it impossible." We added 6 pistachios to her bedtime routine just 30 minutes before sleep. 2 weeks later, she said, "My eyes aren't scratchy anymore. I drove home from book club last night without squinting." Simple, natural, and effective. If you'd like to try this yourself, look for unsalted, raw, or dry roasted pistachios. Eat 5 to 7 nuts about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. If you have trouble digesting nuts at night, try pairing them with a small spoon of plain yogurt or a few kiwi slices for added vitamin C and hydration. Avoid pairing pistachios with salty foods or caffeine before bed, as those can counteract their calming effects. So now we've got the second layer in place. Prunes open the roads. Pistachios now guard the path. Your retina gets protection, your optic nerve gets support, and your body gets the gentle signal it's time to rest, repair, and reset. So far we've cleared the path with prunes. We've added protection with pistachios. Now it's time for the final piece, rebuilding, because protection alone isn't enough. Your eyes don't just need to be shielded from damage. They need to be restored cell by cell, layer by layer while you sleep. And for that, your body needs raw materials, nutrients that repair membranes, hydrate tissues, and rebuild the structures that keep your eyes clear, moist, and sharp. That's where chia seeds come in. These tiny seeds may not look like much, but they're packed with eye-repairing power. They're one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, especially ALA, the kind that helps rebuild the outer membranes of your retinal cells. Now, here's the part that matters. As we age, those membranes begin to thin out. They lose flexibility. That's when you start noticing dry eyes, slower focusing, or feeling sensitive to light after waking up. When you eat chia seeds regularly, you're giving your body the essential fats it needs to rebuild those fragile cells and restore your ability to see clearly without strain. Researchers have also found that omega-3s from chia seeds help calm inflammation inside the retina and support natural tear production, especially in older adults with dry eyes. And here's something you might not expect. Chia seeds help your body stay hydrated too. When soaked in water, they form a soft gel. That gel slows digestion, supports fluid retention, and even helps stabilize blood sugar overnight, something that matters for clear vision in the morning. That same gel effect also supports the tiny tear glands that keep your eyes moist. Instead of drying out while you sleep, your eyes stay smoother, more comfortable, and less gritty when you wake up. And one more quiet benefit. Chia seeds contain tryptophan. It's a natural compound your body uses to produce melatonin, which gently supports deeper sleep. The deeper the sleep, the better your eyes repair. I had a patient once, Mr. Alvarez, 71. He started eating soaked chia with banana and cinnamon about an hour before bed. After 2 weeks, he told me, I'm not waking up with dry eyes anymore. They feel calm, not tight. If you'd like to try it yourself, it's simple. Take a tablespoon of chia seeds and mix them into a small glass of water or almond milk. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes until it forms a gel. That's when it's ready to eat. Soft, easy to digest, and more absorbable. You can enjoy it as is or stir in a few banana slices, a bit of cinnamon, or even a chopped prune if you want to combine their benefits. If soaking feels like too much effort, you can still sprinkle dry chia seeds into a spoon of plain yogurt. It works just fine, though the hydration effect will be stronger when soaked. Either way, the result is the same. You're giving your eyes the materials they need to rebuild what time has slowly worn down. Prunes open the roads, pistachios protect the path, and chia seeds help restore what's been lost. It's not magic. It's nutrition, timing, and giving your body what it needs at the moment it needs it most. By now, you've seen how each of these foods works in its own way. Prunes help nutrients reach your eyes. Pistachios guard your retina through the night. And chia seeds give your body what it needs to rebuild and restore. But here's the real magic. They work even better together. This isn't just a snack. It's a simple, calming ritual that tells your body it's time to rest. It's time to heal. And it takes less than 5 minutes to do. Here's how I recommend putting it into practice. After dinner, during a quiet moment before bed, take a small dish and add 2 prunes. Beside them, place 5 or 6 pistachios, unsalted and raw, if possible. Then prepare a small serving of soaked chia seeds. If you've already soaked them earlier in the day, they'll be ready. If not, just mix a spoonful into a bit of almond milk or water and give them at least 20 minutes to soften. You can eat these 3 parts separately or mix them into a small bowl of plain yogurt. Some people even like adding banana slices or a pinch of cinnamon for taste and relaxation. The key is not perfection, it's consistency. Eat this combination about 45 to 60 minutes before bed. Ideally without distractions, no screens, no rushing, just you, your breath, and the knowledge that you're doing something powerful for your body. I often suggest pairing this moment with a cup of chamomile tea or warm lemon water. Not because it adds more nutrients, but because it tells your nervous system it's okay to let go. You don't have to follow this routine every single night, but doing it most nights, especially during the times when your eyes feel tired, irritated, or foggy, can make a noticeable difference. Some of my patients alternate ingredients. They might swap prunes with a medjool date once in a while or use kiwi instead of banana for extra vitamin C and hydration. That's perfectly fine. What matters is the rhythm, the intention, and giving your body the tools it needs to support you through the night. You're not just eating, you're signaling. You're letting your body know it's safe. You can repair now. And when you wake up with clearer vision, less strain, and a bit more ease in your eyes, you'll feel the difference. It doesn't require a supplement. It doesn't require a prescription. Just a few small bites taken with care. That's the ritual, and your body will thank you for it. Sometimes we forget that the most powerful healing doesn't come from a pill. It comes from consistency, from intention, and from the quiet choices we make every day. What you eat before bed may seem small, but to your body and to your eyes, it speaks volumes. A few prunes, some pistachios, a spoonful of chia, each one playing a part, each one supporting the others. It's not a treatment plan. It's a signal, a soft, steady rhythm that says, I'm still taking care of myself. And that matters because aging doesn't mean losing control. It means learning how to support your body in smarter, kinder ways. You're not broken. Your body hasn't given up on you. Sometimes it just needs a little help and a little patience. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to thank you. Thank you for taking the time to care about your health. Thank you for showing up for yourself and for your future. If this video gave you something helpful, I'd be so grateful if you gave it a like. Feel free to share it with someone who might need a gentle reminder that healing is still possible. Leave a comment and tell me how your eyes have been feeling lately. I'd love to hear your story, and if you haven't yet, consider subscribing. I share practical, natural ways to support your health every single week. Until next time, I'm Dr. Alan Mandell. Here's to calm nights, clear mornings, and eyes that keep serving you every day of your life.